December this year belongs to China. Like it or not, we are forced to admit it. Recently, China successfully conducted a flight test of 4 new types of military aircraft at once. 2 types of 6th-generation fighter jets, a new variant of the J-20, and the new Y-20 Airborne early warning jet. Not only that, but China surprised us again by launching the new Type 076 multipurpose aircraft carrier. Then what about the U.S. 6th-generation aircraft? In September 2020, we still remember that Will Roper, the head of the Air Force Acquisition, once said that the U.S. had built and flown a full scale of its 6th-generation demonstration aircraft in the real world. We've already built and flown a full-scale flight demonstrator in the real world. We broke records in doing it. We are ready to go and build the next-generation aircraft in a way that has never happened before. Thus, the U.S. succeeded in conducting a flight test of the 6th-generation fighter jet before China. But until now, almost every detail about the aircraft itself is still a mystery. But it is possible that what Will Roper said refers to the B-21 Raider. We know that the B-21 Raider is the new U.S. stealth bomber, which is claimed to be able to penetrate the strongest defenses to launch precision strikes anywhere in the world. In addition, the B-21 is the future of deterrence and the world's first 6th-generation aircraft to fly in space. Currently, only the U.S. and China have 2 types of 5th-generation fighter jets: America's F-22 and F-35, China's J-20 and J-35. But China seems to be one step ahead after successfully conducting the first flight of 2 types of its 6th-generation fighter simultaneously. China's 6th-generation fighter jets are built by Chengdu Aircraft Corporation and Shenyang Aircraft Corporation. Chengdu's 6th-generation fighter jet has 3 engines, delta wings, and is wider. Shenyang has 2 engines, is relatively small, and has swept-back wings. Both fighter jets are diamond-shaped and tailless. It is not yet known whether the 2 types of 6th-generation fighter jets will be mass-produced to dominate Chinese air power or just one of them. Of course, it would be interesting for us to wait. After the Chinese Air Force, the Chinese Navy became a surprise defense community by launching the new multipurpose aircraft carrier, Type 076. This new warship is not like other large-deck amphibious warships. The Type 076 has twin islands. There are now 3 giant warships with twin islands: the UK's Queen Elizabeth class, Italy's Trieste, and China's Type 076. More spectacularly, the new Chinese Navy warship is equipped with a catapult to launch advanced unmanned aircraft. The Type 076 ship has a displacement of 40,000 tons and a length of 260 meters. What makes the Type 076 particularly notable is its extensive close and defense systems, which enhance its protection against aerial threats and ensure it can operate safely within contested environments. It has an advanced radar, 3 24-cell HQ-10 SAM launchers, and 3 HPJ-1130 CIWS. The ship is equipped with a well deck, allowing it to launch and recover landing craft and amphibious vehicles directly from the sea. This capability further amplifies its versatility in various operational scenarios. This capability is vital for modern naval warfare, where rapid troop and equipment deployment can decide a conflict. During the ceremony at the Hudong-Zhonghua shipyard in Shanghai, the Type 076 was showcased in a dry dock, offering the most apparent visuals of its intricate design to date. This ship, constructed by the China State Shipbuilding Corporation, represents a significant investment in enhancing China's naval power. This development underscores China's commitment to bolstering its naval presence and readiness. We know that China also successfully completed the first sea trial of its new super aircraft carrier in early May 2024. The Fujian aircraft carrier is currently undergoing additional evaluation as construction progresses. The Fujian super aircraft carrier will likely enter service in the near future, of course, after completing all the ship's operational readiness tests and ensuring that it meets the strict standards required for active service. The Fujian carrier marks a milestone as China's first domestically designed and built aircraft carrier equipped with a catapult launch system. This design allows for an enhanced capability to launch various types of aircraft, positioning China among the nations with advanced naval technologies. Looking ahead, the successful completion of the Fujian aircraft carrier's trials will pave the way for future enhancements in the Chinese Navy. As more trials and tests are planned, the Fujian will serve as a crucial component in China's maritime operations, potentially reshaping the dynamics of naval power in the region.